Hey, Morgan. Morgan, what do you got? What do you got?
Puppies.
How many puppies? How many puppies are there? Count the puppies, Morgan. Can you kiss the puppies? Oh, that's good. What are those puppies doing? Those puppies are playing.
Okay. It's all puppies.
They're heavy.
A teeny puppy.
Teeny puppies are heavy. There's one back here. Morgan, you're so careful. You're doing a very good job. Kiss that puppy. Kisses. Someone's here.